Now we talk about how to get the value of the here. How to get that cosine and tangent. We know the pi is 180 degree. So here it equal 60 degree. Oh, so here is 30. So it means here is 1, here 2, here this is a 3 square root. Okay, so now we know the cosine theta equal cosine pi over 3 equal this side over 2. Okay, tangent is pi over 3 equal here tangent this side opposite side, this hypotenuse. Okay, we get this. So we also talk about the